What's the meaning of Casanova? Casanova. Casanova.
Casanova. Casanova. Casanova refers to a man who is skilled at seducing women and engaging in romantic relationships with them. The term comes from the name of Giacomo Casanova, an Italian adventurer and writer known for his many love affairs. Casanova's reputation as a seducer has become legendary, and his name has come to be associated with men who are charming, persuasive, and attractive to women. A Casanova may be seen as confident, suave, and skilled at the art of seduction, often using flattery, wit, and charm to win over his romantic interests.